Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So today's topic is hate speech detection app. We have created this web application using Streamlit which detects any offensive language used in this sentence. So it takes the sentence from the user and detect whether it has any offensive language in it. So we will enter some text. For example, we will enter some text having an offensive language. So we will write woman belongs to kitchen, and then we will click on this predict speech button. It predicts that your text contains offensive language. So you can also check the source files from this option, and here you can see app.py file in which you can see the source code of this file. So who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned company. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost, and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you. So we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.